the universe is a place so vast that it's hard for us to even imagine. Therefore, this place is filled with immense things that match its size. Planets, stars, galaxies, and galaxy clusters, etc., become much more immense as we go further, and we cannot help but be amazed by their scale. Furthermore, the universe's ability to produce unbelievably immense and majestic creations evokes a sense of humility in us. In 2005, when astronomers first discovered this planet, they were uncertain about how to interpret it. This planet orbits a young central star at a distance more than twice that of the Sun to Pluto's distance, and its mass is estimated to be between several times that of Jupiter and up to 36 times larger. If this planet were to have the maximum estimated mass of 36 times that of Jupiter, it would be classified as a brown dwarf rather than a planet. Although the exact size of this planet has not been confirmed, most scientists believe that this extraterrestrial planet is likely to be about 3.5 times the radius of Jupiter. If this celestial body is a planet, it could be considered the largest size of any planet discovered so far. Scuti is recorded as the largest star in the universe, a supergiant with a radius about 1,700 times larger than the Sun. If Scuti were in the solar system's center, it would extend past Jupiter's orbit. And the gas and dust flowing from the star would reach about 10 times the distance between the Sun and Pluto, extending beyond Pluto's orbit. The Tarantula Nebula is the largest nebula known in the universe and the most active star-forming region near our galaxy, stretching over 1,800 light-years in length. Also known as 30 Doradus, this nebula is in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of our Milky Way, 170,000 light-years from Earth. The Tarantula Nebula, instead of being a fearsome space like its name, can be seen as a nurturing place, akin to a star nursery, where young stars are formed within a captivating cloud of gas and dust. In 2004, astronomers discovered a vast empty space in the cosmic map created by NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe. Spanning about 1.8 billion light-years, this space was devoid of stars, gas, dust, and even dark matter, strangely enough. Although scientists have previously discovered superclusters, they still cannot hide their astonishment at how structures of this scale can form. Our galaxy has a diameter of about 100,000 light-years, which can be considered quite an average size for a spiral galaxy. In contrast, IC 1101, known as the largest galaxy in the universe, is about 50 times larger and 2,000 times heavier than our galaxy. Spanning a whopping 5.5 million light-years, if the IC 1101 galaxy were located in our galaxy, it would extend beyond our neighboring galaxy, the Andromeda Galaxy. Supermassive black holes are believed to be hidden at the centers of all galaxies and can be millions of times the mass of the Sun. However, the largest known black hole to date was not found at the center of a galaxy. This black hole remained concealed, far away from us, concealed behind a quasar, supplying energy and emitting a tremendous amount of radiation. Known as TON 618, this supermassive black hole had a mass of 66 billion times that of the Sun. In 2010, astronomers used the Fermi Space Telescope to discover a massive structure in the galaxy. This enormous blot, visible only in specific wavelengths of light, stretched as high as 25,000 light-years. Through recent research, scientists believe that this bubble is an ancient trace of our galaxy's central black hole voraciously consuming stars, and as a result, such enormous energy would have been unleashed. When the universe was 1/10 of its current size, 14 galaxies came together, forming the gravitationally bound circular cluster known as SPT 2349-56. These galaxies, approaching each other in a very narrow space about 3 times the size of our Milky Way, will eventually merge over time into a galaxy 10 trillion times the mass of the Sun. According to recent observations, about 50 additional galaxies are surrounding them, and these galaxies are expected to settle around this massive object. Astronomer Harlow Shapley discovered the massive galaxy cluster that bears his name in the 1930s. According to the European Space Agency, this galaxy cluster contains over 8,000 galaxies. With a mass over 100 billion times that of the Sun, the Shapley supercluster can be considered the largest structure in the observable universe. Our galaxy is just one of the members of the colossal supercluster known as Laniakea supercluster. There are no official boundaries, but astronomers estimate Laniakea includes around 100,000 galaxies, each 100 million times the mass of the Sun, spanning 520 million light-years. This incredibly bright quasar, moving under the influence of a black hole, is also immensely massive in size. Moreover, these quasars can occasionally form groups, known as quasar groups. These groups of quasars are referred to as supermassive quasar groups. This group consists of 73 quasars with a total mass of 6.1 times 10 to the power of 18 solar masses, and its extent alone is estimated to be a staggering 4 billion light-years. Astronomers have discovered the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, known as the largest structure in the universe. This structure spans 10 billion light-years and contains several billion galaxies. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall was first discovered in 2013, about 10 billion light-years away, in the direction of Hercules and Corona Borealis. This size is estimated to be about 10% of the observable universe that humans can observe. Currently, scientists believe that this structure is likely a dense region containing galaxy clusters and various other matter.